Hi, welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is actually going to be pretty quick because last week's was kind of long. So if you have students that need to work on some functional skills at gaining factual information about their environment from a variety of different sources, today's tip will be for you. So you can do this in a variety of ways. This is a way for students to find information about their weather. So you could print it out and you could give it to them to complete as a worksheet. You could make it a reusable file folder as well. I'm going to show you how to do that. Or you could use it as a technology tool also. So I just want to share my screen really quickly. So you could do it so that you've given them a link that they have to go find. And so they have to go to weather.com or your local newspaper and get the weather. So they would actually navigate to the weather site and get the information and then go to their worksheet and answer the questions about what's the temperature today, what is it going to get warmer or colder this weekend, what is expected from, is rain expected today, should we take our coats outside today? And you could ask a variety of questions like that. Your other option is actually to go and take a snippet of that site and actually paste it onto the sheet, as you can see I have here. And you could take that a couple days. So you could actually just take the date off of it and put this on each day, or just take a snippet each day and put it on there yourself and have them answer the question for that day's weather. So you could change it out each day so they have to do that day's weather separately. And that way, of course, the answers are going to change. Well, if you don't live in Florida, the answers might change every day. And so that way they don't have to go find the weather, but they still have to answer the questions. So I will give you these questions. They're not that exciting. You could make your own questions and you could turn it into a file folder where it changes. You change out the weather each day, or you could just make it an easy to fill out sheet. You could use it for morning work as well as for independent work, just depending on what makes sense for you. And I will put a link to these in the resource library if you want to grab them and use them on your own. So I hope that gives you a good idea of a good functional task that you can put into work pretty easily in a way that is going to be useful for your students for independent living. Thanks, guys. Have a great week.